Yeah, you got a sweet running Skylark here. Get ready to take off. Dual red line tires. Yeah. Working on it. So here we got a Ford Galaxie 67 convertible. Nice solid square body car. The lights, you know, it's like GTO and this same kind of thing, really. I don't know. I guess there's always the fights between the Chevy guys, the Pontiac guys, the Ford guys, the Cougar, Mercury. You know, what's always going on. I ain't got the better car. I don't even care. They don't care that much. Car was the big thing back then, man. Air conditioning with a convertible. That's pretty rare back then. Pretty rare. It's like sort of like an ice, medium blue with ice, silver ice in it. Interior pretty close to matching with you can see the chrome around its seats and stuff. You know. Let's see, he's got some aftermarket stuff in there. I don't think the shifter had that like that, but maybe it did. I don't think it does. I think it's some aftermarket possibly. Look at the door panels. They'd never do that today. They would never even have a color coordinated interior would match your exterior today. It's just gray or tan. You got your dual racing stripes on the back of the trunk. Badass convertible, man. Back then, you just drive just because you wanted to drive this thing. It's like, I want to be out with this. No more. No more. Because cars today are, I don't know, it's like somebody poured some ice cream out and it melted. And they said, that's the new body design. Back then, they did cars. Cool cars. They ran on real gasoline. They made carbons. Pollution. Good stuff.